Hey guys, this is Faisal, a professional virtual assistant. I'm again back with one more video, and here I just wanted to show you what is the reward for the consistency, how the consistency pays you back. I had a client, and I'm daring to take his name here, and that was Craig. And he just motivated me in a way that I can build my own business of virtual assistants. I can be the virtual assistant for more than 5 clients, 10 clients, and I can earn some good money, and I can help others in getting their businesses up, helping them while they are stuck in somewhere, managing their business. So what was the track, how I came up? The breaking news is I got 2 clients yesterday, and the one client to whom I'm working with now, it, I contacted him in, I think you can say I contacted him a month back. I contacted him when on September 14th, I think so. And what happened is he asked me, yes, I am interested, but not at night, not right now. I just had to put something together. I had to make a work for you. I had to create a workload for you so that I know when you're working for me and when you're giving time to me, you're working for me actually. And that's what I'm getting paying to you. So what happened is I spoke to him and he said, okay, call me back. I consistently called him back whenever he said, call me back on Friday, on Tuesday, on Monday. I called him back, called him back, called him back, called him back. And after a month now, he's my client and he's paying me. And there was one more client. I spoke to her and she told me that okay, she wanted to brought up a new business as a side business, so she really wanted me to help him out. And what happened is I took time, I coordinated with him, and she was taking some courses, and she told me that this is the way I'm taking the course, and once I complete that course I'll let you know. And I was like consistently following up with her. Hey, what happened with your course? I know she is not going to hire me today, but I called her and I asked her, okay, what happened with your course? Is it completed? Is there any chance to start working now? Are you done with that? And she said, okay, 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 call me back, call me back, call me back. And then finally, when I called her back today, she was like, okay, let's start working. And I was like shocked, back to back 2 clients. And that's a really great effort. That's a really great accomplishment from my side. So now, what I am going to tell you is being consistent, being consistent is a great key to success. And the other thing, which I got a compliment on one of my video from my ex from one of my client, Craig Fajian, that honesty is the good thing, because once you're honest with a person, it makes your long lasting relationships, and those long lasting relationships shall pay you back, and they must pay you back. So the key to success is consistency is the key to success. So being a virtual assistant, in my words, along with, I'm not talking about your skills right now. I'm not talking about my skills right now, because I know how capable I am, and you know how much capable you are, and my clients know what is my level of capability. So right now I'm talking about only the consistency, because the consistency is the key to success, and then it comes to your skills. And about your skills, I'm the person who doesn't work hard, but I do work smart. Smart working is the key to success as well, because the hard working is typing on some messages, looking for the jobs on the sites, getting paid from somewhere on the freelancer, on Upwork, on Fiverr. It's good to be there, but it's very good to start your own business. It's very good to approach clients differently, because on freelancer, on Fiverr, on Upwork, clients are there, but there is a lot of competition over there. You have to compete as well, because in other market there is a competition as well. But when you're approaching someone, when you're you're putting yourself out there, as per the words of my client, my mentor, when you're putting out yourself for the availability, and when you know the clients are there, they need you, they will approach you. And then when you're making follow-ups and all the things and making stuff for social media, you're growing your accounts. This will help you out a lot in growing your business and getting clients for virtual assistant. So I got two clients, back to back two clients. That's a success. I just wanted to share this success story with all of you. Thank you so very much for listening, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you need virtual assistant services, I'm still looking for few clients because I work smarter, so I can handle different clients at a time. So, and also I work in different time zone, so I will work according to your time zone. For 24/7, reach me out. For 24/7 sport, reach me out at faisalworks.com, or you can reach me at 954 642 2671. Thank you so very much.